Marshmallow fondant from scratch is one of the best tasting, easy to make, and very useful for cake decorating. It starts with 8 ounces of small marshmallows, 2.5 tablespoons of water, microwave it for about 40 seconds, stir, stir, and stir some more. You may need to microwave it another 20 seconds just to get it really smooth. Next, measure out 1 pound of confectionery sugar. Add about 3/4 of the sugar to the melted marshmallows, and again, stir, stir, and stir some more until it comes together. Now you want to add some shortening on your hands. This will help to keep the fondant from sticking too much to your hands. Work the remaining sugar into the marshmallow mixture. Test it. If it's still sticky, needed more sugar. This takes some muscle power and probably about 20 minutes to make. It's done when it's no longer sticky. It should be pliable without being dry. This homemade fondant marshmallow recipe can be wrapped and placed in an airtight container at room temperature. It may need to be slightly warmed up when you go to use it. Click the end card to see what amazing things you can do with fondant. If you enjoy my tutorials, subscribe and ring the bell. You can also click the join button to check out my top tier membership with special behind the scenes recipes, bloopers, and classes. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.